According to Robert Frost, poetry is when an emotion has found its thought, and the thought has found words. Poetry not only nurtures creativity, but also boosts memory and cognitive health, offering a meaningful way for our members to stay mentally sharp and build lasting connections. They also give our members a space to share their emotional landscape. This week in our Poets Club, our members gathered to explore the journey of emotion from feeling to thought, to words, and finally, to utterance. Some recited timeless poems, while others read out their own creations. As always, the group celebrated the power of poetry to connect, express, and inspire. Join us every Thursday from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. for uplifting poetic sessions.
বর্ষা আপনাদের ওই রবি ঠাকুর উনি আপনাদের মাথাগুলি শুধু খান।
আমি পড়ছি আমার একটা আনকোরা কবিতা, কথোপকথন আমি ও জীবন। জীবন আমার জানবার বড়ই আশ, কোথায় করো তুমি বসবাস?